ki benta banekren ngas ngau bah ban pentip syafi bana kaliang jong minister uba preston tensong ula ai yangi ya ka jing dan kam bat ka jing dawa ga jongi kat kum ga jing kwa ga jonga kat kum ga jing dawa ga jonga uba preston uklam da pen ruam baro ki jing dawa jonga ula ai kane ga de ka jing kerku ka jong blei na ka benta ka jing ngem ga jonga ha ka ba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi ki la pen sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kami ka bomdan ka bomdan ukhiu ja hayeng badan ukhiu ja hayeng ki briu enrei nga pen pau ka jing snongu yau blei bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing kersian ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi wei pai wei ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kila pen snam ya kata ka jing kerpat ke jonga kijing dawa ke jonga te khanang ba kan de kapor nga kerpat ya iba kerbong malai beyin sniu ba bonwan sakman ban pule ya kane ka agreement ke jing yetho yetar ke jongi ke jing yekot ke jongi bat u minister jongi nga kerpat ya iba kerbong beyin sniu ba bonwan sakman
Upgradation of Nampak Umdan Sonapur Road, length approximate 59 km, is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY. 3. Upgradation of Nampak Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works, and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20-kilometer stretch of the Nampak Umdan Road in the budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report DPR is under preparation and will be sent to the planning department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the planning department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for Necessary Action. Further, extension from Umdan to Banian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMNMAS of PMGSY. The meeting empowered Committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary PUD, Government of India.